Hello everyone, this is your brother Rolph, Evangelist Rolph, by the grace of God, with another verse that can change your life, that can draw you closer to God. You know, one of our purpose on this verse that can change your life, it's for you also to take time to go in the Bible, to read the word, especially in a situation that you might face. You didn't know where you can find the verse, but we bring it to you so that you can take time and read it yourself. But today we find this our scripture in Lamentation, the book of Lamentation, chapter 3, verse 22 and 23. And let's read it. To the Lord's mercy we are not consumed, because his compassions fail not. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. You see, our God is a great God, and He is faithful till the end. No matter where you and I position is, our God remain faithful. But let's look at a word that's very powerful in this scripture. It's the word mercy. The word mercy in this scripture stands for what we deserve. We deserve death, but God has compassion on us. He did not give us what we deserve. You know, every testimony is a proof of God's mercy. This is why you and I should go to His throne with boldness and knowing if you and I is here today, it's by His grace, it's by His mercy, it's by His faithfulness. I don't know what you're going through. I want to remind you that tomorrow is very near. Run to God. Don't run away from Him, because He's faithful. His word does not change. He remains the same yesterday, today, and forever. I hope you read that scripture for yourself and meditate on this chapter. And that was your brother, Evangelist Rolph, by the grace of God. Till next time. Bye bye.